Today I'm going to have a go at cleaning the windows sliders. What you find is that these older buses are really stiff. When I look in the channels, down in there I've already given that a bit of a scrape, but you know, it's full of dirt. They haven't been cleaned since they started with this. There's all sorts of bits in there, leaves and stones. So I've already had to replace some of the handles on the inside. They were broken off, probably because people are trying to make them work when they're really stiff. The dirt was so thickly caked on, I had to use a screwdriver and a wet rag. I also used a trickle of water. You don't need a lot, just enough to wet it and rinse it down. That's all it requires. I also used a bit of Jif. That helps a lot. A bit of soap softens it up. And a good scrubbing brush. A lot of elbow grease. And then to finish it off, put a bit of silicone spray on it, and as you can see, they are working a lot better than they were before. Okay. Still require a bit of work, but that's the nature of bus windows. But at least it's not absolutely getting stuck, and they will slide reasonably easily.